Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the rice stitch. To work the rice stitch, you're going to start with the foundation chain. In the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, make a double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And you're going to do that all the way across the row. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Alternate across the row. Yarn around the hook. Come from the back, go around the post. Pick up the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So that was the back post double crochet. The next will be a front post. So I've yarned around the hook, and from the front I'm going to go around the post of the double crochet, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Yarn around the hook. The next one will be a back post. So from the back around the post, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. The next one, you can see that this stitch wants to go to the back. So the next stitch is going to be a front post. So from the front around the post, pull the yarn through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. The next one will be a back. This is sticking out in the front, so we know we have to do a back post. So from the back around the post, you're going to do that all the way across the row. So I'll just finish here. When you get to the end of the row, the last stitch and the turning chain are going to sort of be snugged up together. So this was a front. Now I'm going to work a back around this double crochet. And then the last stitch of the row is going to be in the top of this turning chain. So work a double crochet in that last stitch. And you want to work into the second loop. There's the first loop and there's the second. So into that second loop, work a double crochet. And there's your first row completed. Now the second row, you're going to chain 2 and turn. That takes the place of a double crochet. And so you're going to look at your stitches, and you can see that this stitch is sticking out to the front. So I'm going to work the opposite. I'm going to work from the back. So I'm going to work a back post in the front post and a front post in the back post. So yarn around the hook, then I'm going to come from the back around the post and complete my double crochet. Now for the next stitch, see how it's recessed to the back? That means I'm going to work a front post. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to go around the post, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then complete my double crochet. And I'm going to continue that across the row. You can see this is protruded to the front. I'm going to make a back post in that stitch. And then the next one, see it's recessed to the back. I'm going to make a front post double crochet. I'm going to do that all the way across the row, just to show you that last stitch again. That's in the back, so I'm going to do a front, and then a back, and again at the end of every row I'm going to find that turning chain, and there's one loop, there's the second loop, and I'm going to make my double crochet in that second loop. And that's the rice stitch, and here it is done with a smaller yarn and a smaller hook. And that's how easy it is to crochet the rice stitch. So you can make dishcloths with this stitch, or you could do sweaters or scarves or bags. Whatever you'd like to crochet. This is an interesting stitch and it has a lot of nice texture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.